just got a box in the mail from ArtzyBella. This is their pre-release signature subscription box. I'm excited to be one of the first people to try this out. I love the material here. Activity instructions, paint on canvas. Wow. Wow, look at all of these materials here. I guess that's probably the paint on top. Look at that, is beautiful. I always want to get a little bit more artistic and creative and tap into that side of myself. So, and it even came with, look at all these paints. Look how beautiful that blue is. The red. A little glitter. That looks really fun. Okay, let's see. These cute little canvases that came. I love this little mini easel. Look at that. And stick my little canvases on there. Wow, this came with literally everything. It's got pencils to help trace what I'm doing. A couple little paintbrushes. Put that in for my paints when I'm ready. I think that's it. I'm really excited. Even a sharpener, now that is attention to detail, right? You didn't miss a thing. Well, I am really excited to get started on these. Maybe I'll film myself going through a few of these exercises. And thank you, ArtzyBella. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. I just finished my first subscription box from ArtzyBella. This is the beautiful piece of art. First of all, I love this little easel, right? How cute is that? And it was actually really therapeutic as I was going through it. You know, I'm a very type A, schedule type person, so I had to remind myself to calm down, just enjoy the experience. There is no rush, there are no mistakes. Like, I was debating, like, how do I do this? How do I start? And she had this amazing stencil, so I just took my time and used some of the different color pencils that came with it. And then I just changed my mind halfway through, like with different colors and how I was feeling and how my mood was improving based on what I was doing. So I really enjoyed this. I have another blank canvas I could do, and then there's some extra drawings here where I can kind of mix and experiment, create different colors. And I forgot the glitter. Like, I let it dry, didn't use any of this, and that was gonna be like a really fun finish. So now I have to do something else so I can, you know, just have a bit more fun. So it was really, really enjoyable. Check out ArtzyBella. I can't wait to do something else, and I really enjoyed it.